Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So I will tell you that how to add and subtract two decimal numbers. So main thing that you have to remember in adding and subtraction of decimal numbers is align the decimals. Align the decimal. Now what does it means? Let me tell you. Align the decimal means that if you have a number 25.7, so how you will write 25.7 and how you will write 2.25 under that number. Decimal should be under decimal, right? Like 2.25 will be written like that. So now what you have to do, you have to complete the numbers by putting zeros like that. Okay, now how you will add them? You will just use simple method of addition. You will start from the right side. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 2 9, decimal under decimal, 5 plus 2 7 and 2 plus 0 27.95. that is your answer. So let's do one more example. Question number 2. 254.9 plus 3.127. So I am taking just random decimal numbers. So how to solve it, how to align the decimal in this question. So let's start. How you will write 254.9. how you will write 3.127 under that? Decimal should be under decimal, you have to keep it in your mind. 3.127, it should be here 3.127. So how you will fill the empty spaces? By putting zeros like that. Now you will solve it. So start from the right side and use simple method of addition. 7 plus 0 7, 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 0 10. So it means 1 will go with 4 and 0 here. Decimal under decimal, 4 1 and 3 will become 8. 5 plus 0 5 and 2 plus 0 2. 258.027 is the final answer of this decimal. So let's start. Next question. Next question is let's take 8.123 plus 32. Okay, now how we have to write the numbers and how to align the decimal. You will write 8.123. how you will write 32? So 32 has no decimal number, so what you have to do here, 32 should be under this like that, because 32 means decimal will be after 32. So it means decimal will be after 32, so it will be here, decimal will be here. And now what you will do, you will complete all spaces, empty spaces with 0. So now you will solve it. How you will add it? Simple method, simple addition method you will use. Start from the right side. 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 0 1, decimal. 8 plus 2 10, 1 will go carry 0 and 3 plus 0 is 4. So 40.123 is the final answer. Let's do one more example. Example number 4. Example number 4, let's add 82.97 minus 23.5. So how 82.97 minus 23.5, you will fill this empty spaces with 0 and you have to subtract it actually. So okay, So 7 minus 0, 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 5, 4. Decimal under decimal. So I cannot subtract 3 from 2 here. So what I will do, I will take one borrow from 7, sorry 8. It will remain 7 here. It will become 12. So 12 minus 3, 9, and 7 minus 2, 5. 59.47 is the final answer. Okay, so let's do other example. 15.263 minus 4.5. How you will write 4.5? How to align the decimal? You will write it like that. 4.5 will be written here because decimal should be under decimal. You have to keep it in your mind. And now we will just subtract them with the common subtraction method. Okay, first of all fill the remaining spaces, empty spaces, with 0 like that. So 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 0, 6. I cannot subtract 5 from 2. So what I will do, I will take borrow from 5. I will take one borrow from 5. It will remain here 4 and it will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Decimal under decimal, 4 minus 4, 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So 10.763 is the final answer. Let's do one last example. 19 minus 2.53. So how to solve it? 19, 2.53. How I will write 2.53 under 19? So 19 is written first, so you have to write it above. So how to write 2.53 under 19? As I told you that 19 means 19.0. You can make it 19.0. So now you can write 2.53 under 19.0 easily. 2.53. So now what you will do? You will just fill the empty spaces with 0. And now you will subtract them with the simple subtraction method. So what you can do here, you have to be very careful while doing these type of questions. We cannot subtract 3 from 0 here. So what we will do, we will just take borrow from we cannot take borrow from this number because this is already 0. So we will take borrow from 9. So we will take one borrow from 9. It will remain 8 here. It will become 10. So we have to take one borrow from 10. It will become 9 here. It will become 10 now. So now it became 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. Decimal under decimal. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 1 minus 0 is 1. This is the final answer. So I hope you understand these type of questions very well. So just one rule that I told you, that you have to align the decimals. How to align the decimals I have explained you in this video. So I hope you understand very well. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.